Hey, what's going on, everybody? So in this chart, we're looking at the dash versus the United States dollar on an hourly chart. So each candle that you see represents 1 hour of movement. So from the top of this one to the bottom of this one, it was 1 hour. Top of this one, bottom of this one was 1 hour. Overall, you can see we're in a downward trend. And you can see this yellow line, that's the 200 moving average. It looks at the last 200 candles and it gives it an average of what the last 200 candles been doing. This acts as a support and resistance line. As you can see, it bounced off of that resistance line and it is melting. It just melted right back down. So that's one of the things you can look for when you're charting is it respecting the 200 moving average? And in this case, our analysis was correct. Also on the RSI down here, which is the relative strength index, it measures basically how strong the current trend is. You can see that from the top of this line right here where it pointed up. Well, actually, let's use this point right here. See how this point had a measurement of 73, just about 72. You can see on the side over here, right over here. It was 72, 71. Look at this point up here in reference to where it was. So it's talking about this candle right here, right? Now look at as the chart went up and to the 52 mark or 51.2 mark, that means one dash was worth $51.26. And you go all the way down here, the RSI had fallen. Now it's around 66. So these two little points, let me see if I can get you a trend line. We go from here to here. That was falling. Let's get you another trend line. From here to here, that was going up. This is what we call divergence in the market. The RSI line, which is the one down here, always goes ahead of the trend. It tells you the strength of the trend up here. So if you see this is raising up, but this is falling down, that lets you know, hey, there may be a reversal coming up. And lo and behold, it was. You can actually go out and you can buy Dash. I think Coinbase you can buy Dash on, and that's cool and everything. But that's a buy and hold strategy, and it takes a long time for you to kind of make money using that strategy. Whereas with trading it this way, as you can see this little 0.09 right there, that means that from this point right here of 50 all the way down to about 49, if you had just held Dash by itself, it would have lost this much value. You would have had one Dash coin, it was worth $50. As the chart falls, that Dash coin is now worth $49.30 some cents. When you come on this platform here, you're able to bet against it, even if you don't have it, even if you don't own it. You can bet against it, and it is multiplied by this number right here. So instead of just losing money by holding Dash, I was able to bet against Dash and multiply my earnings by 0.09. So this trade right now is sitting at about $13 in profit for this morning. So instead of losing about 40 cents, well, losing about 50 cents, 60 cents on your Dash, trading it this way, I actually made $13. But that's it for right now. Of course, New Money Moguls, that's what we are, that's what we're doing, that's the brand. Shout out to GTI and Mello. We're learning a lot, we're building. This is how you build financial freedom without selling, without recruiting, without worrying about is someone going to get back to you. You know, you come in these charts, you study these charts, and you look for these things, the RSI, the 200 moving average. You look for things that actually line up, that give you a clue of what's going on in the market, and you dominate. But that's it for right now. Stay tuned to the next video. Peace.